Sergeant Foster, tell me now straight, 4,000 pounds of fire and we're in overweight. You say you don't believe we'll ever get her off the ground. Don't worry, Sergeant, she ain't never let me down. No, she ain't never let me down. Up here with the birds and the angels and the bombs, 89 missions and I ain't 21. Thinking of my mother and the girl I left behind. Come on, Silver darling, we were born to fly. Yeah, we were born to fly. And my Catherine, carry me on your wings to Lake Michigan and childhood dreams. Right through our town, nothing but blue skies and fire on the ground. Nothing but blue skies and fire on the ground. Remember them German boys from Chicago town, marching down Main Street and nobody made a sound. Wasn't but a child then and I ain't much older now. Looking back through the smoke and flames, I never saw coming down. No, I never saw coming down. And my Catherine, carry me on your wings to Lake Michigan and childhood dreams. The Red Arrow Highway cuts right through our town. Nothing but blue skies and fire on the ground. Nothing but blue skies and fire on the ground. Traveled across the ocean, been all around this land. Pontador, Italy, got drunk in Paris, France. Crossed the old Rhine River, can't be much longer now. Have you heard the news today? We're all heroes now. Yeah, we're all heroes now. And my Catherine, carry me on your wings to Lake Michigan and childhood dreams. Right through our town, nothing but blue skies and fire on the ground. Nothing but blue skies and fire